Soaring Through Skies, an introduction to commercial flights. Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about an exciting topic in our travel and transportation series, commercial flights. We will explore the vocabulary and phrases you will commonly hear and use when traveling by air. So, fasten your seatbelts, we're about to take off. A commercial flight is a trip made by an airplane, primarily used to transport passengers or cargo, which is operated by an airline company. These companies offer regular service along specific routes and at fixed times. This is different from private flights where a person or a group charter a plane for their own use. Before boarding a commercial flight, it's helpful to be familiar with some key vocabulary. Airline, the company that operates the flight. For example, I'm flying with United Airlines. Airport, the place where airplanes take off and land. Example, I have to be at the airport 2 hours before the flight. Ticket, the document that gives you the right to travel. Example, I bought a ticket for a flight to New York. Boarding pass, a document provided by the airline after you check in, which allows you to board the airplane. Example, please show your boarding pass and identification. Gate, the specific location in the airport where you board your flight. Example, my flight leaves from gate B7. Flight attendant, the airline employees who ensure passenger safety and comfort during a flight. Example, the flight attendant showed us how to fasten our seatbelts. Pilot, the person who controls the airplane. Example, the pilot has announced that we are about to land. Remember, these words are important as they are commonly used when discussing or preparing for a commercial flight. When discussing commercial flights, certain phrases are commonly used. Let's take a look at some examples. I need to check in for my flight. This means you need to register yourself and your baggage with the airline before you can board. My flight has been delayed. This means the flight will take off later than scheduled. I'm afraid my flight has been cancelled. This means the flight will not happen at all. I'd like to book a flight to London. This means you want to reserve a seat on a flight to London. Please fasten your seatbelt. A request to secure the safety belt in an airplane. Understanding and using these phrases will help make your air travel smoother and more comfortable. And that brings us to the end of our introduction to commercial flights. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary related to air travel. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new words and phrases in your everyday English conversations. Have a great flight, and we'll see you in our next lesson.